confidence and ease. You can refill the ezDispense without removing the drawer. Simply slide the drawer out far enough to remove the detergent or softener cap. Align the detergent or softener bottle's nozzle with the opening in the reservoir and press the nozzle release until the reservoir is filled. Do not fill the reservoir over the max fill line. Leave the liquid detergent and fabric softener tanks in the drawer unless you're cleaning them. Note: if you're switching to a different detergent or softener, remove and clean the tanks before refilling them. Follow the cleaning instructions in the manual, or watch our video how to properly clean the ezDispense tanks. The liquid detergent goes in a larger tank, and the fabric softener goes in a smaller tank. Do not put powdered detergent or powdered fabric softener in the ezDispense tanks. Fill the reservoir tanks with liquid detergent and liquid fabric softener only. Put the caps back on and turn them clockwise to close them. Clean any spilled detergent or softener off the outside of the tanks and drawer with a damp cloth. The ezDispense drawer must be closed in order to properly dispense the detergent and softener. If you start the wash cycle with the ezDispense drawer open, or open the drawer during the wash cycle, OPN flashes in the display and a tone will sound. Close the drawer, or ezDispense will not dispense the detergent and softener properly. Always check the refill indicator on the detergent and softener buttons before starting a cycle to make sure that the tanks are not running low. If the tanks need to be refilled, the red refill indicator lights up on the detergent or softener button.